Hello folks, here's another reminder that time flies. We have less than a week before Samsung announced a new pair of foldable phones, 3 new smartwatches and its latest wireless earbuds at Unpacked. Leaks aren't coming in at light speed as they used to, but more bits of information are slowly surfacing. So, without further ado, here's how much Samsung's upcoming mobile tech costs and which devices will become more expensive this year. Samsung will release the 256GB and 512GB Galaxy Fold 4 in Europe for 1,800 and 1,920 euros respectively. It seems like the base model will have the same price as the 256GB Galaxy Fold 4, while the 512GB variant might cost a little extra, 20 euros. The Galaxy Flip 4 on the other hand will hit the shelves for a higher price than the Galaxy Flip 3. The 128GB model will supposedly cost 1,110 instead of 1,000 euros, and the 256GB variant will set customers back 1,170 euros as opposed to 1,050 euros. Moving on to Samsung's upcoming wearables, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro both have higher prices in Europe than the 2021 smartwatch models. The 40mm Bluetooth-only Galaxy Watch 5 will be the most affordable variant, priced at 300 euros. It's 50 euros higher than the Galaxy Watch 4 series equivalent. The 40mm model with 4G connectivity will reportedly go on sale for 350 euros. Meanwhile, the 44mm Bluetooth-only and 4G-enabled Galaxy Watch 5 will cost 330 and 380 respectively. And finally, Samsung's first Pro-branded smartwatch, the 45mm Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, will cost 470 euros Bluetooth-only and 500 euros 4G. Now, a new pair of wireless earbuds called the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro have now leaked in an official photo along with detailed specifications and pricing. WinFuture.com shared an official image of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in the zenith grey color option. Also, there are some technical details and prices. Samsung's new earbuds have a couple of extra surprises, including an upgraded active noise cancellation technology. The Galaxy Buds Live were Samsung's first wireless earbuds to boast active noise cancellation technology, and the subsequent models Galaxy Buds Pro and Buds 2 both had ANC. For 2022, Samsung isn't going back on its ANC implementation. In fact, the company will reportedly introduce an upgraded intelligent active noise cancellation technology with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro this year. Intelligent ANC can hide even the loudest ambient noise. As far as audio quality goes, Samsung's new earbuds reportedly deliver studio quality sound and other technologies such as 360-degree audio and HD voice. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will upgrade some components while also sharing some characteristics with the existing Buds Pro earbuds. The exterior design is different as you can see, but the new earbuds should have the same IPX7 water resistance rating and offer 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. However, with the charging case included, the Buds 2 Pro might get an extra hour of battery life for a total of 29. Other specs include Bluetooth 5.3, 10mm drivers and several integrated microphones. And last but not least, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in Europe will hit the shelves for 229 euros, which is the same price the Galaxy Buds Pro had at launch. The upcoming earbuds will be available in Zenith Grey, Zenith White and Bora Purple. And that's it guys for today. To be honest, price increases are quite expected given the situation in the world and the economy, and if it ends up being insignificant, then I think this will be understandable. Time will tell. In the meantime, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and good luck!